In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a file in Replit. Whether you're a student embarking on a programming journey for the first time or a seasoned developer experimenting with new projects, Replit provides a robust platform to help you code collaboratively and effortlessly in the cloud. Today, let's take a step-by-step approach to setting up and creating a file in Replit, ensuring that we're comfortable with the environment and ready to unleash our coding potential. To start off, open your web browser and navigate to the Replit homepage by typing in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and features designed to enhance your coding experience. For now, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the Apps option. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section holds the key to your projects, acting almost like a command center, where you can manage and organize your work effectively. Now that we're in the Apps section, it's time to create a new directory for our project files. Move your cursor to the File Explorer area. Here, you'll want to right-click to open the context menu. This handy menu allows you to perform a variety of actions. From it, select Add Folder. This step is crucial as organizing your files into folders not only keeps your workspace tidy, but also makes navigating through your project significantly more efficient. After clicking Add Folder, you'll be prompted to type a name for your new folder. Choose a name that clearly represents the content or purpose of the project. Once you've typed the name, press Enter to confirm. Your folder is now created, ready to house any files associated with your project. With our folder set up, let's move on to adding a file. Click back into your newly created folder, then click the option to add a new file. Just like with the folder, you'll need to provide a name for your file. Enter a name that reflects the file's role or content within the project, making it easier to identify later on. After naming the file, the next step involves specifying the file format. This is where you decide how the content within the file will be structured and interpreted, with options like .js for JavaScript files, .py for Python, or .html for HTML files, among others. For this demonstration, let's choose the .json format, which is excellent for storing configuration data and structured information. Once you've typed the file name followed by the file extension, your file is officially created and ready for you to start coding. Following these steps allows you to efficiently set up the groundwork for your projects in Replit, providing a structured environment to explore and develop your coding skills. Replit's platform is designed to support continuous learning and development, making it the perfect playground for programmers at any stage of their journey. Dive in and start experimenting with your new file.